Hi, I'm Jim York, manager here at WestHort. I'm excited about a brand new technology that I want to introduce to you today that I believe is a bright part of the future of the nursery industry. It's the Epson C831 pigmented inkjet printer. For the first time, we're able to provide an on-demand color solution that is waterproof, fade resistant, abrasion resistant, and long lasting. On top of all that, you are now capable of printing onto material that is up to 30 mil thick, which is thicker than anything that we produce today. What that means for you is that for the first time, you can print on pot stakes and thick sign material. What makes the Epson C831 printer different from the other inkjet printers that you might buy from, say, Staples or Costco is the fact that the 831 uses pigmented ink rather than dye-based ink. When you print using a dye-based printer, you can take your material immediately and put some water right on top of it. What you'll notice is that within a few seconds, that ink will come right off. Now, using a pigmented-based ink printer, you can do the exact same thing by putting water on top of the material. And what you'll find is that after a few seconds, that ink will stay on. The pigmented ink even stands up to most chemicals. The inkjet cartridges themselves are similar to the ones you'll find in your home and office inkjet machines. The red, yellow, and blue cartridges are smaller, but the black cartridges is bigger, and that's due to the fact that this is the one you're probably going to use the most. The beauty of on-demand color technology is that you are finally in command of what you want to print, how much you want to print, and when do you need it by. We've all been in those situations where we needed some tags now, but we had to wait for delivery, and sometimes it could take weeks. With on-demand color technology, you can print what you need when you need it. The printer itself is so easy to use. When you first look closely at the machine, you'll notice that it looks slightly retro with all the pin feeds in the back, similar to the old style dot matrix machines you may have seen 20 years ago. But the beauty of the pin feeds is that it makes the material easy to load and provides tighter registration, keeping the material in place as it goes through the printer. This is especially helpful with the thicker materials. These have a tendency to want to move back and forth a little bit. Here I have a fan-folded stack of our 4.5 inch by 1 inch pot stakes. I want to show you how easy these are to load. Simply put the material onto the static pin feed holders of the printer and then clamp them down. Move the adjustable pin feed holder to the width of your material, place the material onto it and clamp it down. Once you have the material loaded, lock the adjustable pin feed holder onto place. As you look at the front of the machine, you'll notice the load eject button. Simply press this and your material will load into place. It's that easy. To print, you simply use the program that you designed your label or tag on. Here at WestHort, we use Bartender, a label program made by Siegel Scientific. We've already designed our label, so now all I have to do is hit print. In this case, I'll be printing 10 pot stakes so that you can see the speed and quality that the Epson C831 printer produces. In this particular instance, I have the quality level set at the highest level, which gives us the best quality, but it slows down the printing speed. In later videos, we'll show you the nuances of changing those settings. Here you can see the quality of the images on these pot stakes. And don't forget that they're water, fade, and abrasion resistant, as well as long lasting. All the same materials that you currently print through your thermal transfer printer can be done right here on the Epson C831. That means you can do pot stakes, signs, tree wraps, adhesive labels, hanging basket tags, and even hang tags. And if there's a current application that you're using and you want to see if it can be done on this particular printer, give us a call and we'd be happy to come up with a solution. The printer comes with a standard 1-year warranty, but Epson also offers a special warranty called the Spare in the Air. Now what this does is if you have a problem with your Epson C831 printer, it's not printing the way you want, you can call our tech department and we'll try to get it working for you. But if for some reason that doesn't happen, you can call a special number that Epson provides and let them know. They overnight a new C831 printer directly to you. After you open that printer and you take it out, you place your non-working printer into the box and you ship it back to them and you have a brand new printer. The service is a nominal fee. It's paid once a year for up to 3 years, but it is absolutely worth it. I know you probably have many more questions to be answered about this printer. Look for more of our videos that go into depth of how it is used and what it can be used for. If you'd like to speak to myself or one of our sales associates about it, don't hesitate to call. The number's listed below. We'd be happy to spend more time with you answering the questions that you might have.